Hello everyone and welcome back to TechAvro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can make a Google account or add a Google account. So once you want to click on your main account, and then you want to go all the way down, and over here, as you can see, add another account. Click on that, and over here press on create account for my personal use. Now we're going to name it Safe Search. Safe first name search. Okay, Carch. We're gonna name it Carch. Anyways, for the username, we're just gonna put this word and this word together. Wait, no. Control C, Control V. This username is not allowed. Okay, we'll go with safe 39407. Let's see if that works. Alright, so safe 39407 works. And then you just want to put in a password that you can remember. I'm just going to put in this password. And then next, we're not going to put any phone number. We're not going to do that. We're just going to select a date. Wait, 34, 31. Wait, does January even have February? January has it. And then we'll just select a random date. We're gonna do rather not say. Next. And then more options. Over here you can do more options. Don't save my web activity. Don't show me ads that aren't personalized. Don't save my YouTube history, blah blah blah. And then agree. And then voila, your account has been added. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.